Class ninth. Good morning, students, all the boys and girls. Please listen carefully. So, in the subject of social science and social study, I start history portion. Please open page number 39, chapter 4. What changed after October? अक्टूबर के बाद क्या बदलाव आया? कल जहाँ तक हो पढ़े थे हम लोग, उसके आगे आज हम लोग डिटेल फॉलो ऑन करेंगे. See the textbook and make a notebook. Classwork and homework you can do. The Bolsheviks, all the boys and girls, listen carefully. Good morning, students. Have a good day. The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property, व्यक्तिगत संपत्ति. Most industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. 9th class, ध्यान दीजिए, हिस्ट्री पोर्शन चल रहा है. This meant that the government took over ownership and management. Land was declared social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. In cities, Bolsheviks enforced the partition of large houses according to family requirements. They banned the use of the old titles of aristocracy to assert the change. New uniforms were designed for the army and officials. Following a clothing competition organized in 1918 when the Soviet hat was chosen. Second paragraph you can see in the textbook. Figure 12. A soldier, एक सिपाही wearing the Soviet hat, Budenovka. The Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party, Bolshevik. In November 1917, the Bolsheviks conducted the elections of the Constituent Assembly, Constituent Assembly, but they failed to gain majority support in January 1918. The Assembly rejected Bolsheviks' pleasures and Lenin dismissed the Assembly. He thought, उसने सोचा, the All Russian Congress of Soviets was more democratic than as an assembly elected in uncertain conditions. In March 1918, despite opposition by their political allies, दुश्मन, राजनीतिक शत्रु, the Bolsheviks made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. In the years that followed, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the elections to all Russian Congress of Soviets, which became the parliament of the country. Russia became a one-party state. Trade unions were kept under party control. The secret police called the Cheka first, Czech, CHEK, Czech first, and later उसके बाद OGPU and NKVD punished those who criticized, आलोचना किए गए उनके द्वारा. The Bolsheviks, many young writers and artists rallied to the party because it stood for socialism and for change. After October 1917, 1917 ईस्वी के बाद अक्टूबर, this led to experiments in the arts and architecture, ARCHITCTURE. But many became disillusioned because of the censorship the party encouraged. See the figure number 12 के बाद 13 देख लीजिए. Figure number 13. Made a demonstration in Moscow in 1918. श्रम दिवस, 1 में श्रम दिवस मनाया जाता है जो 1918 में मॉस्को में, रूस की राजधानी मॉस्को में शुरुआत की गई. PTO प्लीज टर्न नंबर, प्लीज ओपन पेज नंबर 40. Box 3rd, most important lines you can see and note down in classwork or homework copy also. The October Revolution and the Russian countryside, two views. News of the revolutionary uprising of October 25th, 1917 reached the village the following day and was greeted with enthusiasm. To the peasants, it meant free land and an end of the war. The day the news arrived, the landowner's manor house was looted, his stock farms were requestioned, and his vast orchard was cut down and sold to the peasants for wood. All his fur buildings were torn down and left in ruins, while the land was distributed among the peasants who were prepared to live the new Soviet life. From feeder below, the history of a Soviet collective farm. Second paragraph you can see in the textbook on that page, number 40. A member of a landowning family wrote to a relative about what happened at the estate, ESTAT Raj. The coup happened quite painlessly, quietly and peacefully. The first days were unbearable. Mikhail Mikhailovich, the estate owner, was calm. The girls also. I must say the chairman behaves correctly and even politely. नम्रता के साथ. Next line you can see in that story. I do not know if this will happen or if it is good for us, but we rejoice that there is a conscience in our people. From Serge Menon, Echoes of a Native Land, 2 Centuries of a Russian Village, 1997. Activity work you can see in the textbook. Read the 2 views on the revolution in the countryside. Image yourself to be a witness to the events. Write a short account from the standpoint of an owner of an estate. E vowel है, O भी vowel इसलिए एन लगा है. A small peasant, a journalist. Thank you. Next point, next day. धन्यवाद. Good morning, students, and have a good day. Thank you.